Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Aditya Sen, and if you are new here, I help people break fear, build confidence and help them get success through motivating them. So if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today's topic is the power of not trusting others. We all trust many people in our life. We trust our friends, we trust our families, we trust our partners, and we trust our employees and so on, right? But what if I tell you that not trusting other can be the most powerful skill you can develop, and that can actually save you from many dramatic scenarios that happen in life. Trust me when I say this, it actually saves you from many things that happen in life. All right, let's get into this and see how this actually is. See, trust is amazing thing, we all know, ठीक है? And trust is the foundation of every relationship, either it's friendship, partnership, business, or anything. Trust is the main foundation. Trust is the base layer of a flat that you have to make, right? So we trust someone and someone trusts us, but trust is like a double-edged sword, a double-edged knife. It can build a deep connection between two people, but it can also be used against you as a form of advantage. Because we are in a generation of fake peoples, manipulators, toxic, toxic peoples, and full of hidden agendas people, where trusting the wrong person can mentally destroy you, can drain you, and can drain your wealth, can drain you emotionally. Therefore, in this video, I am going to show you why not trusting other person can be the greatest power you can achieve in your life, and how it can save you from many dramatic things that happen due to trust in life. The hardest pill to swallow is not everyone deserves your trust. Trust should be earned, not given freely, because the problem is, in this generation no one is honest. Literally no one is honest. No one is loyal. No one has pure intention like you. So the trust, which is the basic foundation of any relationship, it should not be given freely. It should be earned by the other person. We are living in a world with fake people, full of hidden agendas, manipulators, and trusting the wrong person can be very dangerous to oneself. Studies have shown that we naturally trust those people who act in a particular way, who show us, who show themselves that they are trustworthy. Yeah, they will act like the most trustworthy person in a room, and they will act in a particular way. Your intention get a kick that yes, I can trust that person. That person seems to be trustworthy, and this particular habit of human nature is called halo effect, where we naturally trust those person who act in a particular way, who show in a particular way, who fake his confidence in a way to make us feel them trustworthy, so that we can get into the trap and trust them. Yeah, but wait, I am not telling you that you should not trust anyone. Of course, we have to trust someone for work purposes, because without trust, we cannot do any work, right? But what I can do instead of blindly trusting them is trust, trusting them, but first verifying. Yes, verify before trusting. If I have to trust at this particular business, at this particular person, I will verify it. I will research about this person or this business, and then I will invest. Right? I will not blindly trust them or the business, and I will fully give all things. I am not going to do that because I know the power of control trust. I know that if I have to trust that person or that particular work business, I will first verify it. I will research it. I will search for it. I will ask for the proof. Then I'm going to invest it, or then I'm going to approve for that particular thing, because I am smart and you all are smart as well. Okay, so act like a smart person. History is full of stories where, due to blind trust, people betray. Due to blind trust, people take advantage. Chalo, leave history. See around yourself. See at the particular environment you are living and ask them. They might have also got betrayed in friendship. They might have also took advantage in their business by the employees, by the company, or anything. That's why blind trust is harmful for each one of us. Even you might have got betrayed in your relationship, in your friendship, right? We all have gone through this. That's why when next time if I have to trust that person, or if you have to trust that person, verify it. And let me tell you something, that 100% trust I don't do to anyone. Neither I trust my families, neither I trust my friends, neither anyone. That 100% trust I don't do to anyone, because I know that if I am trusting them, I expect something from them. I expect them to understand me. I expect them to keep my secret up to them. But this not happen, right? Sometime or the other, someday or the other, they may break my expectation. They may break my trust, and then I'm going to feel bad. Then of course, I'm going to feel hurt. I will feel some kind of pain because I am trusting them, and that trust is got broken. That's why that 100% trust I don't do to anyone. Of course, I trust them. I trust my friend. I trust someone. I trust them. I trust my family. I trust my brother. I trust my friend, but not that 100%. And that actually saves me many times from getting betrayed, from feeling heartbroken, and from creating trust issues, because I already have trust issues and now I don't want any more. So I don't trust 100% to anyone. And you all should also not trust 100% to anyone. I am telling that for your benefit. The hidden benefits of not trusting. This is my personal experience and I love this one. See, when you don't trust anyone blindly, you avoid betrayals, you avoid disappointment, because the less you trust blindly, the less disappointment you will face. Okay? The second thing, you depend on yourself rather dependent on any other person. That is, you become independent of your emotion. And third, you protect your mental peace. You avoid drama, you avoid consequences, you avoid scenarios that may disturb your mind. Okay, so these are the things how we can stop ourselves from trusting blindly. The number one, observe action, not just words, because words can say anything, but action reveals the truth, that who that person actually is. Understand? Second, verify before committing. As I already said, have controlled trust. That is, verify before trusting. Either it's a business deal, friendship, relationship, internship, anything. Do your homework completely. Verify before trusting. That's it. Third, limit emotional vulnerability. That is, do not share everything to everyone, right? Not everyone deserve your trust. Trust me when I say this, because I have been there, done that, and people love taking advantage of your trust. Fourth thing, ask yourself the right question. Do I have to trust this person? Is he worth my trust or not? Number 5, always have plan B. Don't be dependent on plan A. That is, never trust blindly on anyone. Okay, always have alternatives in your life. At the end of the day, life is not about paranoia. It's about being strategically precautious. Understand? Trust is like money. Invest wisely and build a strong foundation. Give it away carelessly and you will be left broke. So stay sharp, stay aware, and most importantly, do not trust blindly. Trust but control trust. That is, verify before trusting. Okay, if you found this video eye-opening, make sure to like this video, share and comment if your trust is ever got broken and someone has played with your trust, took advantage of it. Thank you for watching. You are with yourself, I am with you.